People don't want to analyze 200 rows of data in your table. They want answers. Meet FlexTable AI Summary. It transforms complex tables into clear, digestible insights. The AI Summary feature uses artificial intelligence to automatically generate concise, intelligent summaries of your data tables. To use this feature, go to All Tables, select your table, and from the top navigation bar, head over to AI Integration. FlexTable gives you two powerful modes: Generate on Click for live summaries, and Instant Summary for pre-generated content. Before we dive in, you'll need to configure your AI provider. Don't worry, we've made it easy. There's a detailed step-by-step video that walks you through the entire AI configuration process. You'll find the link in the description below. Make sure to complete that setup before continuing with this tutorial. Let's start with Mode 1, Generate on Click, also called Live Summary Mode. With this option, your visitors will see a Summarize button above or below the table. When they click it, AI analyzes the table data in real time and generates a summary instantly. This is perfect for dynamic tables where data changes frequently. First, enable Generate on Click mode from your table settings. Now let's configure the key options. Start by entering your summary prompt, or use the default one. This tells the AI what kind of summary you want, or what summary you want to display to your users so that they get a clear idea of your table. For example, summarize the key trends and insights from this sales data, or provide a brief overview of the main points in this table. Next, customize your button design. You can change the button text, colors, and styling to match your website's theme. You can also choose where the summary should appear, either above or below the table. Enable the Regenerate button if you want users to generate a fresh version with updated data. Finally, decide on caching. When caching is on, the summary is saved and reused. It will save API calls and improve speed. When caching is off, a new summary is generated every time. Use caching for static data and turn it off for frequently updated tables. Let's see it in action. When a visitor clicks the Summarize button, AI instantly analyzes the table and displays a clean, readable summary. And if regeneration is enabled, they can click again to get a fresh version. Now let's look at Mode 2, Instant Summary. This mode is perfect when you want the summary to load immediately with no user interaction. The summary is pre-generated and saved, so visitors see it the moment the page loads. Just like before, click Generate Summary. FlexTable creates the summary automatically. Once generated, you'll see a preview. You can review it and even edit it manually before saving. Choose where the summary appears, above or below the table. Here we go. As soon as the page loads, visitors see the AI-generated summary. No delays, no buttons to click. It's instant, it's professional, and it's incredibly user-friendly. So which mode should you choose? Use Generate on Click when your data changes frequently or when you want users to control when summaries appear. It also saves on API usage since summaries are generated only when needed. Use Instant Summary when you want maximum speed and convenience. It's ideal for static tables and making a strong first impression. Now, you might be thinking, wouldn't it be even better if users could ask the table questions directly using AI? Well, there's something exactly like that waiting for you. Meet FlexTable Ask AI. With Ask AI, users can ask questions directly and get the exact insights they're looking for. You'll find a detailed guide by clicking the I button above, and the link is also available in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.